Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Master Edition. Yes friends, today I think most of the Realme GT Master users, they will be able to receive the Realme UI 3.0 update in their device. And I'm getting plenty of comments friends regarding this Realme UI 3.0 early access. As you can see, is now open for all the Realme GT Master Edition. These are the comments which I'm getting. And today some of the users did receive this application as well, as you can clearly see friends. So this is the beta version update. A few of the Realme GT Master Edition users, they were able to receive finally the Realme UI 3.0 update. And for me, I already updated to the Realme UI 3.0 and finally I did receive another beta version update as well. So which is the update size of 433 MB. You can clearly see friends update size, and which is a C.04. As you can see, the update version is C.04. And let me click download and let's see what will be the security patch will be there after this update. Because previously it is a January security patch, hopefully it should be updated to the February security patch. That's what I'm expecting. And let me click on this about update. You will be able to see all these kind of categories, so which has been there from the previous. Let's see friends. So after this installation, what will be the security patch update and details, and let me know in the comment section below how many of the Realme GT Master users actually downloaded and registered for this Realme UI 3.0 update. Please let me know in the comments. That will be really helpful for a lot of other users as well, or actually having this kind of device. So just to let you know. And after downloading this latest update, I'll definitely do the multiple testings on this one to check how is the battery is impacting, how is the performance and everything, all the aspects. I'll already do my testing. So right now it's kind of downloading at this moment. So you just need to go to the settings and register for the trial version, and once you submit your application, it will be under the review. I'll let you show you even the process as well. Previously I did do this kind of registration process. So yes, so you'll get this option which is a trial version, and once you click there, you will need to click apply now and enter your details. So once you enter your details, you'll be able to get that saying the application has been successful as well, once after you enter your details, as you can see in this. And after a couple of hours, you will be able to receive the new update as well. So make sure to wait for that update. I'm not sure exactly how many hours it's gonna take in the Realme GT Master Edition anyway. So right now, as you can clearly see friends, I did download this update at this moment in my Realme GT Master Edition. So I've been using this Realme UI 3.0 in my device for more than 50 days in this phone. Yes, it's been more than 50 days of using. So it's kind of really good experience friends, nothing much major problems. So right now, as you can see friends, after finishing the download, it's kind of initializing, and right now it's verifying as well in the Realme GT Master Edition. So finally, let's see friends how much time it actually takes to install as well. So let's start at same time, the stopwatch and the installing. So it's gonna take some time. So right now, as you can see friends, we got the Realme logo as well at this moment after 1 minute and 30 seconds kind of thing. And finally it's done. Complete installation has been finished friends in 1 minute and 30 seconds as well. You can clearly see. And right now let me show you exactly what is the security patch update. It has been updated to maybe February, I think so, from January. So no, it's still remaining only January. As you can clearly see friends, even after the recent update, still the security patch did not change. So there's nothing has been changed in terms of the security patch. So still this is the beta version only. So beta version 16th Feb. I think that's what the information we got. This is not the stable version. Still the stable version we did not receive. So still this is the beta version. That's it friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then. Bye.